welcome back to Parker Tries Things. If you don't know already, go follow me on Instagram, Parker Tries Things, tries with a Y, and we'll get started. So today, by request, I'm making the chocolate chip oatmeal cookies that are thebomb.com. There'll also be a recipe in the description box, so you can follow along as well. Right now, I have all the ingredients laid out already. So first I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 and then we'll get started. So right now I have 2 mixing bowls, different sizes, and a whisk. You can use a hand mixer or whatever you like, but I'm just gonna do this all by hand. We'll see how it goes. So let's get started. So I already put out all my ingredients and I'll go through them right now. So we need 1 and 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of just regular flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, I already melted it, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of milk of any kind. I'm gonna make this vegan, so I have almond milk, 3 tablespoons of any syrup. I did 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then I did agave with 1 tablespoon. So 6 ounces of chocolate chips of any kind you want. I'm using dark chocolate. And also 2/3 shredded coconut, which cherry on top, but optional as well. For these cookies, you can make them vegan. I'm gonna make them vegan, but any substitutes for the milk, you can just do regular milk, any kind. For the butter, I used Country Crock vegan butter, but any will do. And for the chocolate chips, I'm using dark chocolate. Okay, so first we're gonna add the flour and the rolled oats and the cinnamon sugar mixture. Not the cinnamon sugar, the cinnamon baking soda mixture. And then we're gonna stir that all up just till it's combined. And then we're gonna move on to the big bowl. Okay, so next we're gonna cream the butter and the brown sugar together. Nice consistency there. Yum. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then we're gonna add our teaspoon of vanilla and our syrup. And then we're gonna mix that together until it's combined. Okay, and then we're gonna be adding the dry ingredients, and this is gonna make a crumbly-ish mixture. So just add that all in and mix together. Okay, so the mixture right now is like kind of like this. It's kind of crumbly and not really put together. So we're gonna add the 2 tablespoons of almond milk. That's just gonna soak it up because the oats soak up moisture and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna use a spatula to do this because my whisk was getting very what you call it. Then what you want to do, you have like a batterish consistency, then you can add in the coconut, yum, the chocolate chips. Okay, so we're just gonna mix those in, make the batter hecka good. So this is what it looks like right now. It looks delicious. I'm just gonna let that sit, let like the extra moisture, if there is any, get absorbed by the oats. Now we're just going to be rolling this dough into balls. So it's kind of just like, that's what it looks like, if you're wondering. And so I have my baking sheet, and I'm going to spray it with some oil. Okay. And we'll be making these into little balls, I'd say 2 inches, somewhat like that. This is the messy part, so be ready. And I'll be putting them on my tray here. Okay, so now that they're all plated, we're going to put them in the oven for 15 minutes until they're brown. Because these are vegan, I can eat the batter. So in 15 minutes, Oh, you can't see my fingers. It's been 15 minutes, and so I'm gonna take these cookies out. And they look fantabulous.
Wow.
I'm gonna let them vibe out on the side right here, and then we can eat them. And here they are. Magnificent. So adorable. And they're ready to eat. Oh my god, that's so good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and then I'll put another poll for what you want me to do next. Story time means I'm going to explain one of the things I tried in depth. Or another tutorial or recipe. Up to you. Comment what you want to see. Anyways, happy baking!
You just seem to have one single thing in mind.
And don't mind the plastered wall back there. We're in the middle of construction. Okay.